A, B, C, D is a rectangle. Read the question, sir. You will understand the idea. EC equivalent to 3 times BE. Okay. And ABE, area is 7. Find the area of ABCD. No formula. ABE, area is 7. Find ABCD area. This is the question. There is a rectangle, EC is 3 times BE. Sir, please listen. What I will do is, I will just make it little large. Sir, listen. What is the first root cause of the problem? EC is how many times? 3 times. One part, twice, 1, 2, 3. It is 3 times. Right? Now see here. Assume that it's a paper. From here, drop a perpendicular. These drop a perpendicular. These drop a perpendicular. This, if it is folded like this. If I fold like this, this. If I fold like this, this. If I fold like this, this. Step number 1. EC is 3 times BE. If BE is 1 unit, what is EC? 3 units. 1, 1, 1. At these points, I dropped a perpendicular. Paper folding. Suppose for example, two pieces. I hope you are able to correlate. Right? Like that I folded. How many foldings are there? That many areas I will get. Here, what are all foldings? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is 8 into 7? 56.